Hello, Rudy. Uh, I'm here today to greet you. Happy birthday. Uh, Wishing you a wonderful day filled with happiness, laughter, and all the things that make you smile. May this year bring you good health. Please enjoy your special day and may all your wishes come true. Rod King, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Even though we only recently met, I still wanted to take a moment to greet you and wish you a wonderful day because it's your birthday today. I hope your birthday is filled with happiness, laughter, and the company of people who make you feel appreciated. May this new year of your life bring you good health, success, and many new opportunities. I hope you continue to grow, achieve your goals, and experience many memorable moments along the way, especially in YouTube. Enjoy your special day and celebrate it to the fullest. Once again, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best today and in the year ahead. Rudy, happy birthday to you. I hope na you enjoy you enjoy your enjoy your birthday. Once again, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rudy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, happy birthday. Hi Rodi, this is the Explorer at 74. I'm wishing you happy birthday. I wish you all the best. I wish you good health, safe driving, and may you have more birthdays to come as you celebrate your birthday. You hope you enjoy, and age is just only a number. So just enjoy your day and be happy and be young always. So thank you for the support, for your support to Chona Adventure Vlog. And I wish you more subscribers and to be monetized soon. So good luck and happy birthday.
Hello, good day. Today is Father's friend Rod King birthdays today. So, Jonah tell us we give a happy birthday greeting to Sir Rod King. Anyway, even though we do not know you well, but we are friends in YouTube world. So, your friends Jonah and my friends Jonah asked me to have a great birthday too. So I wish you're always in good health, Sir Rod King, and take care always. Be good, and we are be good to you. So English yan guys. That's fine. Always take care of yourself and happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. God bless and take care always. Wherever you are to go, always take care of yourself. And God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. God bless, take care. Bye. See you next birthday.
夜雨绵绵，鼓声竹泪相偎， 心头四人割裂，灵魂深处，你的身影渐渐融入夜色，泪水交织模糊视线锁卡。寒风侵袭，怀抱空荡回响。你离去后，烦恼如影成形，往昔如梦缠绕间，爱与背叛交织，成无尽头落。心淡散落满地，难以拾起，爱为余生心守候。泪水倾盆淹没失落，恨与交织，心底难消。往昔誓言随风轻轻飘散，昔日温情献意，决然如剑穿心过。那段光辉再也无法触及，泪与情看心，已碎成万片。爱已消失，悲伤陪伴，再也无法，再也不能挽回。那段温柔已成遥远回忆，心淡散落满地，难以拾起，中途为余生心守候。泪水倾盆淹没失落恨怨，恨与怅然交织，心底难消。